If you're wholesaling, you already know time is everything. The faster you find deals and connect with buyers, the more money you can make. And that's where AI comes in. Before we dive in, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you don't miss future tips on real estate investing. So how can wholesalers actually use AI? Let's start with deal finding. Instead of spending hours cold calling or scrolling listings, you can use AI to scan property data, find motivated sellers, and even help write outreach messages that sound natural and get responses. Here's an example. Imagine you're targeting properties worth around $150,000 in your market. AI tools can pull that list in minutes and draft seller letters for you. What used to take you days can now be done before lunch. Next is comps and analysis. I can break down comparable sales in a neighborhood so you know if your deal has a real spread. No more second guessing whether your after repair value is solid. You can back it up with quick data. Now, let's talk buyers. Building a buyer's list is tough when you're new, but I can help you organize leads, segment them by what they're looking for, and even draft follow-up emails that keep you top of mind. That means when you lock up a deal, you already know which buyers to call first. Of course, AI isn't magic. It's only as good as the inputs you give it, and you still need to understand your market, check the numbers, and build real relationships. Think of AI as your assistant. It speeds up the grind, but you're still the one making the calls. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this on wholesaling and funding strategies.